Have you ever noticed something? The internet makes making money online sound simple, until you actually try. Then suddenly you're told you need a website, a funnel, an email system, automation, landing pages, integrations, tracking, and a dozen different software tools you've never even heard of. It's overwhelming. And if you've ever felt like giving up because of all of that, you're not alone. I understand that feeling. The truth is, most people don't quit because they aren't motivated. They quit because everything feels way too complicated. They buy another course, watch another YouTube video, join another Facebook group, download another checklist, and somehow, they end up even more confused than when they started. Weeks go by, sometimes months, and they still haven't launched anything. If that's been your experience, I want you to know something. The problem probably isn't you. Maybe online business has simply become more complicated than it needs to be. That's why the OnePage Method was created. Not because it's some magic shortcut, not because it guarantees success, but because I believe people need a simpler place to start. Instead of spending weeks trying to connect software, figure out complicated systems, or wondering what to do first, you receive a professionally prepared page that's ready to use. You also receive done-for-you marketing assets that make sharing your page simple without ever having to create content yourself. So instead of spending all your time trying to figure out the technical side, you can spend your time learning how to confidently share your page. Because taking action is what actually helps you move forward. The goal isn't to make online business more complicated. It's to remove as much unnecessary complexity as possible. Whether you're looking for an extra stream of income, want to work from home, or you've tried making money online before and just felt overwhelmed, this gives you a clear place to begin. Simple, professional, focused. One of the things I hear all the time is, "I'm not technical," and honestly, you don't have to be. The OnePage Method was designed for beginners. Everything is explained in plain English. One step naturally leads to the next. No guessing, no wondering where to start, no trying to piece together 10 different systems from 10 different people, just a clear process. Maybe you're also thinking, "I've bought other programs before. I've started before. I've stopped before." That's okay. A lot of people have. Sometimes the biggest obstacle isn't a lack of effort, it's having too many moving parts. When everything feels overwhelming, it's easy to do nothing. But when things feel simple, it's much easier to take the next step. With the OnePage Method, you receive a professionally prepared page, done-for-you marketing assets, and a streamlined process designed to help you spend less time overthinking and more time moving forward. Imagine how different it would feel to stop asking yourself, "What software am I missing?" and instead have one clear path to follow. Less confusion, more clarity, more confidence. That's exactly what this was designed to help with. If you've been waiting for something that feels more manageable, I think you're going to appreciate what we've put together. Take a look at everything that's included inside the OnePage Method. If it feels like the right fit for you, I'd love to welcome you inside. Just click the button below, and let's take that first step together.